To begin, please download the support files for the Practice website and put them into a folder called Practice Site that is inside your web folder on OneDrive. We'll be creating our website in Visual Studio Code. To access it, go Apps, Faculty Specific, IT. Then scroll down to Visual Studio Code and drag the link into your website folder to make it easy to access. Next, open Visual Studio Code. Every time you open VS Code, please make sure that you go to the bottom left-hand side and check that you're signed in. If you're not signed in, sign in, and it should allow you to choose your Microsoft account, and you should then be able to sign in. So here's what my success screen for signing in looks like. If this is your first time, you'll also want to add in some extensions. The extensions that you're interested are one called Image Preview, and you're looking for the one by Kiss to Mice, and what you'll want to do is install that one. The other one that you want to look for is Highlight Matching, and you're looking for the Highlight Matching tags, which you'll also want to install. To make changes to your code, please take your Practice website and drag it into Visual Studio Code. Then trust the authors, and this will let you access everything that you need to make your website. To see what your website template looks like, in Windows Explorer double-click on index.html, and this will show you a standard grey template that we're going to change to make our website. Our first step in creating the website is to go into our Big Ben assets. We need to have a look at the brief and complete the planning. So let's open up that brief, and it's super simple. We're making a website to tell people about Big Ben that will be of interest to high school students, and it needs to have a heading, main text, and at least one image. That's all the information we need to be able to fill in the purpose, target audience, and what's required. And that's what your planning should look like. Remember that the purpose always starts with the phrase to tell users about, and you pop in the topic. Check that your target audience is in fact high school age student, and type in what the web page requires. In this case, it was an easy copy and paste, and I used Ctrl-Shift-V to paste without formatting. In the next video, I'll talk you through how to fill in the second part of our planning document.